You are trying to learn Thai, right? Today, I will be taking you through the 5 best apps you can use to learn Thai. All these apps use proven language learning methods that will make learning Thai both fast and enjoyable. Let's start with Ling. Ling is definitely the best app on the list specialized in teaching Thai. What makes it special is that it offers over 200 Thai lessons for all levels, from beginners to advanced and even expert. So no matter what your Thai level is right now, you can always be better with Ling. The premium version would cost you $14.99 monthly, $79.99 yearly, and $149.99 for lifetime access. And here's what makes it worth every penny. It makes learning really fun. You get to learn new vocabulary and phrases via interactive games like this, not like in a boring textbook at all. Practice speaking with an AI chatbot and specialized lessons covering everyday situations like ordering food, asking for directions, and even relationship. Each lesson includes crystal clear audio from native Thai speakers. Let me pause a little bit so you can hear it.
สวัสดีครับ
It's really good, right? Plus, Ling teaches not just the language, but also have us understand Thailand better via their culture notes. That's not even everything yet. I remember when I started to learn Thai, I was frustrated with the alphabet. I couldn't remember all the curves and how to write the Thai letters. Here, Ling also have writing practice for you to learn the Thai alphabet. And I have amazing memory. That's one time I met a Ling user in a night market in Chiang Mai, and this is how he shared about his experience with Ling.
I've been to Thailand like 8 or 10 times, usually for like 3 months at a time, usually for visa and then leave because visa stuff. But usually like 2 months, 3 months for the last 10 years, on and off.
Oh, okay. So finally you decided to learn Thai?
Because of Ling, really. Like, because Thai is not on all the apps.
We add about like the culture note. So when you're learning Thai, you're gonna have slide that show about like I'm gonna say like the spirit how, some like the tricks about like our culture. So you will learn more about Thai.
It's so important for foreigners because we have to learn, right? Yeah, really good. I love it. Yeah.
So if you're interested in learning Thai, click the link in the description box to start your free 7-day trial with Ling. And by the end of the year, I'm sure that you can speak more fluent. And now let's look at other options. Drops is great for visual learners, priced as $12.99 monthly and $159.99 for a lifetime. It's a great app for beginners because Drops offer a wide range of tutorials that teach you Thai vocabularies and different aspects of Thai language. They also make it easy for beginners since they have a wide range of illustrations to help learners remember what they have learned easier. So you wouldn't be dropping it anytime soon. The third one, Pimsleur, takes an audio-focused approach with a monthly subscription of $19.99. It's excellent for improving your listening skills and includes a special driving mode for learning during your commute. The 30-minute lessons are designed by language experts and include role-playing exercises. 4. Monthly offers an interesting learning experience for $9.99 monthly and $47.99 yearly. Mondly is a good app to use if you want to improve your Thai through daily practice. The app helps you learn Thai phrases that native speakers use in their daily conversations. It offers consistent daily lessons to keep you on track with your learning journey. Last but not least, if you want more human interaction and practicing speaking, I recommend you to try Ling Live, where you study Thai one-on-one with native Thai tutors. You can practice with teachers you choose in your own time. And right now, they are offering a free 30-minute trial lessons. So don't miss it out. Just go ahead and book your free lessons. I enjoy every class that I have with my tutor there. Being able to speak Thai with a Thai native in a safe environment where I know that I'm not gonna be judged with my funny pronunciation would make me feel even more motivated to learn and express myself better in Thai, because now I feel more connected with the language. So now you have it. These are the 5 best apps for you to level up your Thai this year. As a Thai learner for 2 years already, I highly recommend you start with Ling with bite-sized lessons, gain more vocabulary, sentences, and phrases. Then have speaking practice lessons with real Thai tutors in Ling Live to boost your study even more. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video will be helpful for you, and stay tuned for more language contents. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.